That's true. That right. She sippin' more wet and yeah, I swear it get her wetter. My Louboutins new, so my bottoms they is redder. No, I'm not a rat, but I'm all up on my cheddar. Just talked to your homie, she said we should be together. Gabby Brand was so insane that I made her my header. If she ever call my phone, you know I got a deader. But I like that girl too much, I wish I never met her.
I was listening to the song. It go like,
I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it.
yeah,
You'll find another life to live.
yeah.
I swear that you'll get over it. But I know you're sad and tired.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Jacob Brooks. So I'll be talking about the behind bars explanation and why I renamed the channel to Jacob Brooks Vlogs. So basically what happened was, so it was me and Seamus's channel, but then he kind of just like stopped caring for the channel, and he was like, I don't really care about it. Isaiah Brooks Vlogs is better. Where is it? You gonna plug?
Don't have to. Everyone already knows it.
Okay, okay, yeah, so basically, he basically said that he didn't like want to like post anymore on the channel. So I was like, I'm a swoop. So I swooped the channel up, Jacob Brooks Vlogs. And yeah, we hit 40 subs. I'm going places, Isaiah. Yeah. So if you guys are wondering why it's not Behind Bars TV anymore, that's why. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, the mini edit from like 5 months ago or something. Like I wasn't even that good, Seamus wasn't even that good, like yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the freaking video, and tune in for other vlogs and stuff, because your boy vlogs. And yeah, peace.
What's in your vlog?
Roll the outro.
Fuck a beat, I was tryna beat a case, but I ain't beat that case, bitch, I did the race.